I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic traveller in the active specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange. Some of its features include rear parking sensors, tinted rear windows. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.